Then who could I really order my wife to cancel my flight? Hmm?
Let's look at the bigger picture here, Savage. Senior Superintendent Martin was shot and killed in New York. His body washed up on the... where again?
Now you want to tell the story? You tell me.
5 miles down the Hudson River. And it so happened that you were in New York at the same time. You want to explain how that go?
You know, if I wasn't in our house, our matrimonial home, I think for a minute that this was deja vu. Because just recently, somebody asked me those very same questions. What's his name again? Yes, but why are you asking these questions? I went to New York. Yes, everybody knows. You read the news. Yes, everybody's heard about it. But what is it about the retired senior superintendent that interests you, Mrs. Savage?
You take this as a joke, don't it?
This coffee is a joke. I think you really need to work on it though, but anyway, I guess I'll see you later, wifey.
Let's see if you find this funny. The gentleman you were speaking to outside of the meat shop, retired Corporal Stevenson, he's now in custody. He has a very interesting resume. Sharpshooter for the agency, professional diver, and a very good friend of yours. What say you, my husband?
Well, I can't recall who that is.
You may even find this more interesting. In speaking to the authorities, he's planning to call names. Let's hope he does not remember you.
Let me tell you what I find more interesting. That you and your daddy, your foster father or your caretaker, Mullins, that both of you know exactly who the retired senior soup is.
What do you mean by that?
What I mean, you are aware, or should I say, are you aware that the retired senior superintendent Martin is the head of one of the biggest human trafficking ring that stretch all the way from New York back to Jamaica, all the way to the continent Africa? This is the man who been shipping young girls 100 a month. And yet you and your boss trying your best to cover for him. I wonder why that is. So you see the guy who you're talking about outside the meat shop, who's now in custody, who I don't know? Maybe you might want to call the authorities and give them some information about your friend.
When you get this straight, Savage, me no know that man there. Him is not my friend.
Oh, so you just here talking about a man who is the friend of your foster father? That's really how you come to be involved in this, Maybe you should have done your research. But I tell you what, maybe you have the wrong man in custody. As a matter of fact, retired senior superintendent Martin would be the right person to ask about this. Hold on. But him dead. So here we are. This just go as it's been and forget it. Wifey.
You know what I understand? How a good cop like you turn out to be this. I understand about your daughter, but me not understand this. You.
It's exactly because I'm a daughter and people like Martin why me become this. You don't ever want to see me become this with you, my goodly wife. No. By the way, they didn't teach you in training school that hearsay is inadmissible in court. I'll see you later, Mrs. Savage. Oxtail, white rice. By the way, I like the fact that it's been hot in here between us as newlyweds, but you don't pay a light bill. How come? You should call GPS,
Sir, I think we need to look deeper into this Martin person, you know.